Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install TCG Card Show Simulator game on your PC. Guys, there is two versions of this game. The first version is paid and the second version is completely free, which is the Pro Look version. So to download these two, you have to just open up your browser and just search for the Steam. Open up the first website of the Steam. Now click on the top search box and just type here the TCG Card Show Simulator. And once you type it, now this game will appear on the top, so just open it. Now here just scroll down and you will see option of add to cart. Now this is the paid version, but if you want to download this free version, just scroll down and you will see the Pro Look version, which is the free version. To download this version, so you first have to log into your account. If you don't have an account, then just create an account. Then just click on the start Steam option you are seeing on the top. Then just download and install the Steam on your PC. And guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just open up the Steam and log into your account. Then just click on the top search box and just type here the TCG Card Show Simulator, and this game will appear on the top, so just open up this game. Now here just scroll down and you will see its paid version, but if I scroll down you will also see the its free version. You can also search for it by just clicking on the top search box, just type here the TCG Card Show Simulator. You will see its free version, which is the Pro Look version. Just click on that. Now here just scroll down, you will see option of add to library. Just click on that. Now this game was added to your Steam library. Just click on the library on the top. Now here on the left hand side just scroll down and you will see this game, which is the TCG Card Show Simulator Pro Look version. Just click on that, then click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.